Okay, then we finish this course introduction, and I will give you another chance for question and answer, so don't worry. So next one is about when will we meet again? Okay, so we have actually 3 chances to meet on campus. Traditionally, we met 3 times on campus. In the orientation, in the midpoint workshop, at the graduation day, your graduation day, we will be on campus. But now we cannot, campus is closed, so we cannot be on campus. So we are meeting through this virtual environment. So next year, we don't know what will happen, but we will, anyway, we will meet on campus, either on campus or either using this virtual environment, we will meet again. So exactly 1 year after, just like this Saturday, starting new semester. So you will meet in the afternoon. So midpoint workshop is held in the afternoon. So in the morning, we have orientation for new students. In the afternoon, we will have a midpoint workshop for the existing students. So you can join this midpoint workshop after 1 year. And then after 1 year, we will have a graduation. Okay. Oh, that's right, that's right. That's right, you're right. I have a paper here. So it should be 2022, right? Right. Next year is a midpoint. Right. You're right. Okay. And then this is final Q&A session. Please find the survey, orientation survey in email again. So in the email, you can find another link for survey. Please fill in this survey and submit right now. I wish you do it now, because you may forget about this with your busy schedule for your home, for your work. So it's a good idea to fit in this right now. Okay, Camille also posts a survey link at the chatting window. So you can use that link too. Okay, so while you are filling this survey, you can still have a question and answers. So I give you for 5 minutes to fit in this, fit in the survey, and we will come back after 5 minutes. Okay, so we have some questions on the chat. Let's review one by one. Okay, again, this will be recorded and posted in public, so video is optional. Okay, how questions from Debris. How long is the summer session? It is 5-week session, so we will have 2 sessions in the summer for different courses. So 5 weeks each, so totally 10 weeks for summer. And uh, yes, we will have 2 courses in summer as well. So we will have a 4 semester regular semesters and 1 summer semester, and totally 5 semesters. So we will have 2 courses for each semester. So we will have 10 courses for the degree. And, okay, already it's already answered by Camille here. So the summer courses do not run concurrently. Yes, it's the different courses run in a different session in summer, 5 weeks. Are courses synchronous or asynchronous? All course MS courses will be asynchronous. The synchronous course is like this kind of virtual meeting. We fix the time we meet. But in the MSE program, we will not have this synchronous meeting. Everything will be done asynchronous. So you can study anytime you want using online materials posted. But of course, you can set up some synchronous meeting time with each faculty if you have any questions during the office hours. That's possible too. Uh, I don't understand exactly what this means. Uh, this question. Probably he Don Tran asked about the starting time of a canvas. I'm not clear with this question. So Don Tran may ask with more elaboration. Okay, yeah, it's already answered. All courses are asynchronous. And you can purchase textbook anywhere. You can probably through the online bookstores, I think. We usually uh, offer textbooks in the through the our in the campus bookstore, but nowadays it's closed. So you must use online bookstores. Yes, you can find out uh, textbook information on the website. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a great information. Actually, the this is happening to me. Some emails going to the junk folder. So the is happening, especially whenever you set up certain emails, junk emails, and then whenever they have a same email domain, it can go to the junk folder. So please check your junk folder and set up properly. It happens. You have access to this PowerPoint. Yes, I will post all this slide uh, on the Titanium. And also we will record this and we'll post this also. Oh, okay. For 544, uh, all, sec all sections 50, 51, 52 will use same course link titled by 544-50. So sections 50, 51, 52, all sections will use the same link like this. So please use this link. After this session, I may open this other sections and I will introduce you to go to the another link location. Yes, I will add the orientation PowerPoint. It's password 551 course hasn't got idea. Okay, it will be available at least Monday. Dr. Choi, do you have any comments on this question on the 541? You are muted.
What question would that be? I could not see. Can you? So let me go.
Yeah, can you see?
Let me go to chat here. So no, I was
in the chat.
At the, okay. So there's so many questions. Let's see.
It is.
Okay. What question was that?
So they're asking when the titanium for 541 will be available.
So I just made it available. Actually, I just want to discuss it first before I make it available. Okay. So, but since I'll be doing the next, I made it available. It should be able to go online and should be able to see it.
Yeah, so you can see it soon.
Yeah, I just made it available like 5 minutes ago.
Okay, you asking about the team. Jeremiah asked you about the team.
Well, let's talk about that later. I mean, I don't think it's good to talk about that now. So can I just go ahead and do my stuff first, and then we can talk about the team? And otherwise, just mix everything. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's stop answering to questions in the chat at this point.
There is later on QA session. Yeah.
After we have a introduction sessions for each courses, right. And then each course, and then we will come back to make up all these sessions. Okay.
So there is QA session allocated from 10:35 to 11 o'clock. So if there is any question,
yes, we can have
then
it.
We can probably better than we're doing right now.
Yeah, that's good idea. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, then I believe you already read and sign on this distance learning requirements, and then we have a short break, and we will start introduction to 541. Thank you. Let's see within 5 minutes. Okay, so we go back to the questions. Since we consume all time for the orientation, scheduled time for orientation, if you have another appointment, you may leave. We try to finish within 5-10 minutes, depending on the questions we have. So if you like, you may stay, or if you have other appointment, you may leave. Thank you for all of you. Okay, let me go back to the questions on the 9:27 a.m. We stopped last time here. So how penalized are we if our teammates don't perform? It's up to the actually depends on the different classes requirements actually. In my class, I ask you evaluate your team members, and then all members will get the same assignment score, but each members may get the different scores evaluated by your team members. And more importantly, if you do not participate teamwork properly, then you may not be able to answer to the exam questions properly because you don't understand the questions, if you don't do your homework assignment properly. So it's more important to participate and understand everything. So teamwork does not mean you do only partial work, you understand only partial things. Teamwork is just for the collaboration. You must understand everything for the exam, actually. And the next question is, let's see the team. What is one of the first team? 544 is to join team. Okay. And are both classes in titanium yet? I believe both classes are shown in the titanium now. And scroll up in chat that questions has been answered. So I see both, however, model is live. I'm not sure what you mean by live here. What you mean is it available now? You cannot see the course. I believe at this moment, I believe you can see the course link. And let's see, courses don't officially start until Monday. Yes, officially we start on Monday, 2 days before we usually make courses available. So let's just prepare. I see both in Canvas. We will not use Canvas for this semester. So we will use Titanium, which is a Moodle base. So click Titanium and find out courses. We are in the transitioning time to Canvas. So the next year, we will use Canvas entirely. Okay, yes, it's answered by Camille already. Okay, so I don't see any course in my Titanium. In that case, you can ask help desk or email me, and then also I can find out whether you are properly enrolled in my course. And Ocean asked, is this semester and the next only on Moodle, will we be able to use Canvas? For this semester, we use Titanium, not Canvas. Again, we are in the transitioning time. So we are asked to transit to the Canvas by next summer. So the next semester, some faculties may start using Canvas. That's possible too. So it's up to the each instructor actually. So for this semester, we use Titanium for both courses. Okay. Will next course, will next semester course be on Titanium or mix of Titanium and Canvas? Again, it's up to the instructor. So still we can have a titanium or canvas. For next summer or fall semester, we must use canvas from that time. So everybody will use canvas at that time. How are teams created? You voluntarily build your team. So one way is go to my class website, 544, and then there is a link for the searching your team. So you can use that, or you may directly communicate with other members. Use participants list in the course webpage, and you can directly communicate. Or if you go to the search for team link, there are many students posting their team recruitment, so you can contact them. And the next question, how much coding is needed to complete program? Yes, that's a good question. In this class, we do not explicitly ask coding skills or that kind of things. Even though we ask to build the application to perform something. So for example, in my class, we emphasize on process, defining process, use the defined process. So you should demonstrate you define and you use a process by doing a software development project. So the software development itself is very small. It's just a few hours of programming work, actually. It's very small work. But I don't want you to do it within 1-2 hours to code that. I want you spend several days, several weeks to follow your defined process by collaborating with your team members, by following your defined process. So you go step by step, and you will complete coding. That's what I want. So coding itself was not required in this admission requirements, but many of you already discussed with me in the application process or email. So if you don't know coding, it's hard to get a job as a software engineer in this field. So you must practice, you must learn coding separately from this coursework. And does it MSE program include the capstone or thesis like most other programs? Yes. We have a capstone project. So the last two project courses will be related to this capstone project. So if you look at these courses here, so we have two courses for the project, 589 and the 597. So 589, in the 589, you must build a project proposal. So you have to build a proposal to do a project. Just like you build a project proposal in your company to do something, you must build a proposal using the certain guidelines and the format. So once you build that project proposal, in the last project course, 597, you will really perform that project by following that proposal we promised. If you change your mind in the middle, you can change your proposal later, don't worry. It's very flexible. But once you build it, once you promise it, you must follow that proposal to do your project, because we will use your proposal to grade your project, how much you have done as you promised in your proposal. For the graded project, we have two types. One is a development project, and another one is a research-oriented project. So it's up to you. So research-oriented project is very similar to the thesis work. So if you have a very great idea, you like to announce, you like to publish your great idea in this area. And then you may go with this research-oriented project. Most of students are doing development style project. So development type project is just like the software development project, just you do in your organization, you develop software. So you in the proposal, you propose us what kind of software you will build. And in the graded project course, last course, you need to perform this your activity. So it will be explained more later. In the midpoint workshop in the 1 year later, we will explain this more detail. And also in the summer course, the instructor will explain this more detail. So don't worry too much. And the questions? I think the last two questions are related to the course introductions already answered by Dr. Choi and me. And let me check the last questions if you have. You are recruiting your team members here mostly. Okay. Okay. The last question is, are there electives that can be taken as audit outcomes to this program? I think you're asking about the electives, availability of elective courses. We don't have any elective courses. Every course is, as shown here on the slide left, all courses are fixed. All are related to only software engineering. We have separate program, computer science graded program. They have many, various courses, elective courses. But in the MSE program, we have fixed courses. There are many reasons. I cannot explain everything right now here, but we have reasons to do so. So we have, in conclusion, we have only fixed courses, 10 courses. There is no elective. If you like to take some other courses in the department, that's fine. You can do it. But two things you should remind. Any course beyond this required course will not be counted toward your degree. So only 10 courses shown here will be counted toward your degree. So you can choose freely, take, it's up to you, but it cannot be counted toward the degree itself. And another thing is, right now, many courses are offered by synchronous mode, virtual mode, just like this course meeting, class meeting. Not fully online, not asynchronous mode. All courses in computer science, except MSE courses, are offered on campus, or synchronous mode, like this virtual class meeting. You must attend the course at the given date, given time. It is offered only for this pandemic season, not regular season. In the regular season, other courses offered in the department will not be online. Everything will be on-campus course. So only MSE courses will be online courses. You will not create group discussion area until we build a team your group in the group link. So once you send me your group list, and then I will build your group page, and then on that group page you can communicate with your group members. Other members cannot see your group area. And I think we will be a cohort for the whole program. Yes, you are at the same cohort for the entire program until the end. Of course, you can change your group for the different semesters. It's up to you. I found that most of students are going with the same team, but it's not 100%. Okay, I think I answered to all questions. We already used too much time here. So I believe we must start now. So if you have more questions, please email me anytime. Email to me or email to the instructor or email to the Ms. Camille Johnson, depending on the different questions you have. So send me email. Don't worry anything. Again, don't be panic anytime. And ask us help. Ask us email. Send me email. Send us email anytime you have trouble. Okay. So don't worry anything about it. Just ask us. Okay. See you in the class from next week, and see you after 1 year in the midpoint workshop. Thank you very much. So you may leave now. We will close this session soon. If you would like to communicate with other classmates, probably you may use, from now you may use a class web page. Class web page has a participant link. You can